how we do, son. Shit, MP. Shit. It's that syndicate shit, nigga.
Motherfuckers. Bitch ass niggas.
International flows remarkable, twisted like freak shows at a carnival. Honorable, tough heart, profound thought. I just think what I want and let nature take its course. Stay in alignment, flick rap like I'm hungry at night. Be careful, you might get ate. All you weak ass rappers out here, I gave you a head start, but now it's too late. I'm fitting to catch up and tear you apart. Meet your fate, so ill, I'm sick. My flow's hard as a brick, ain't nothing about me, bitch. I leave your body in the ditch, take a shotty from the split. My body, soul, my strength, blessed with a gift. I'ma use it to wipe out anybody spitting that bullshit. Toss a Molotov cocktail at your clip. Talk slick, shank you with an ice pick like a horror movie. Got you screaming like a white bitch.
The game is risky, notice where you go in. That's why I play corrupt like a politician. Listen, the hood you left, you can't come back. But I'll find where you at like Google Maps. Snub in the club the size of a PSP. I'm trying to rape the game like AIG. I don't care if he's bipolar or ADD. Don't go against the grain like DGC. Now they reppin' me, they say I got the recipe. I'm on they hills and they don't need telepathy. Bitches is next to me and you hating out of spite. So I stay cocky like the Tyson fight. I wanna stack my bread, move up on the sound scan, and start a company off of a couple grams. Here, you can't afford for the gun to jam. Cause it's war out here like Afghanistan. You must be ready to die, cause you ain't ready to live. Run up in your bitch after I gun for your wig. They got the bricks in the floor and there's drugs in the fridge. They don't care whoever it is, they laying your kids. You must be ready to die, cause you ain't ready to live. Run up in your bitch after I gun for your wig. They got the bricks in the floor and there's drugs in the fridge. They don't care whoever it is, they laying the kids.